Hello, I hope you're all doing very well. We have science, okay, and our topic is physical state of substances. We are going to look at the physical state of substances, and these are our keywords. Please say the keywords after me. Substances, liquid, good, solid, gas, very good. Now, when we say substances, what do we mean? Substances are materials or they are things. Okay. Now we're going to look at the characteristics of these substances, of liquid, of solid, of gas. What do we mean by characteristics? When we talk about characteristics, we are talking about the ways in which one thing is different from the other. I am Coco, I'm a woman, but I'm different from your mother because I have special qualities that make me different from your mother, isn't it? We are both women, but I'm different from her. She is different from me because we have special qualities. We have things that are particular, specific to just me, that are specific to just me, and that are specific to just her. Okay, in the same way, we are going to look at how solid is different from liquid, how liquid is different from gas, how gas is different from solid. Okay, so that is what we mean by characteristics. Now these are a few items we have a few items on my table. Is that okay? We have a book. This is a book, a storybook. Okay, it is solid. Why do we say it's solid? It is solid because it is hard. Okay, so one characteristic of solid substances is that they are hard. Okay, very good. It also has a fixed shape. Now this storybook, can I change the shape? Can I mold it into something different? No, the shape is the same. It has a fixed shape. Okay, now so a book is an example of a solid substance. These are crayons. These are also solid substances. They are hard and they have a fixed shape. Okay, this is my marker. It is also solid. When I press it, it's very hard. Okay, and it also has a fixed shape. This is my candle. It is hard. When you touch it, it is hard, and this is its shape. This is my plate. Hard. This is its shape. Very good. Now let's move on to liquid. So liquid flows. Okay, I have my water in my measuring cup. So water is liquid. The juice you have been drinking is liquid. The beverage you drink is liquid. The liquid soap you use to wash your hands, it's also liquid. Is that okay? Oil is liquid. Honey is also liquid. Now we have written here that liquid flows. Let's demonstrate. Let us see whether the liquid this water we have here will flow or not. Okay, so I'm pouring it. You can see clearly that it is flowing, isn't it? Like the way the tap flows in your kitchen. Now liquid doesn't have a fixed shape. It doesn't have a fixed shape. In this measuring cup, look at its shape. In this bottle, look at its shape. In this glass, look at its shape. So what does it tell you about liquid? It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. Liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is put. Is that okay? So this is a different shape. This is also a different shape. And this is also a different shape. Very good. Let's move on to gas. Gas flows in the air. Gas doesn't have a shape. This is my matches. Okay? Let me light it. And then I'll show you what gas is. Have you seen the smoke coming out? Have you seen the smoke? The smoke is gas. So smoke is an example of gas. When your mommy is cooking, the vapor, the steam that comes up is also an example of gas. Is that okay? You just realize that it just went away. Have a good look at it. Can you see the smoke? Can you see it? Can you see it? So the smoke just disappeared in the air. Okay, so this is smoke and this is gas. Very good. So what have we learned today? Today we have learned about the physical state of substances. We have talked about 3 states. Okay, so substances have 3 states. All the things you see around you have 3 states. They are either solid or liquid. Okay, so we have solid substances, we have liquid substances, and we have gas substances. Is that okay? And we have learnt about the characteristics of these substances. We have learnt about what makes them different from the other substances, from each other or from one another. So with solid is hard, it also has a fixed shape. Liquid flows, it doesn't have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is put. Gas flows in the air, but it doesn't have any shape at all. Gas doesn't have any shape at all. We have looked at examples of substances. I've showed you lots of examples, a few of them, not a lot of them. A few examples here. Good. So we are done for today. On Friday, when we have our Zoom meeting, we'll be having practical work. We'll do experiments. We are going to see how we can change the state of these substances. Change them from, let's say, solid to liquid, or from liquid to solid, and so on and so forth. Is that okay? All right. So take care of yourselves. Watch the video. Read your questions carefully and answer them. Bye.